Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows 11 and bypass the error message. This PC doesn't currently meet Windows 11 system requirements. If you see this message, simply click Close and restart the installation process. When you reach the window asking for a product key, press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard. This will open the command prompt. Type regedit and press Enter to open the Registry Editor. Inside the Registry Editor, navigate to HK My Local Machine System Setup. Right-click on Setup, select New Key, and rename it to LabConfig. Now, inside LabConfig, create 3 new doored 32-bit values: BypassTPMCheck, BypassRAMCheck, BypassSecureBootCheck. For each of them, double-click and set the value data to 1. Close the Registry Editor and also close Command Prompt. Continue with the installation. When asked for a product key, you can select I don't have a product key. Then choose Windows 11 Pro as your edition, accept the terms, select your disk, and click Next. The installation will now continue without showing the system requirements error. Just follow the steps on screen until Windows 11 setup is complete. And that's it! You've successfully installed Windows 11 by bypassing TPM, RAM, and secure boot checks. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.